Tailscale versus Netbird. In this 2025 comparison, we will find out which mesh VPN is best for your private networking needs. So make sure to like and subscribe. Starting with Tailscale. It's a zero config mesh VPN built on WireGuard. It lets you connect your devices into a private network with minimal setup, which is great for teams, remote access, and even gaming setups. While NetBird is also based on WireGuard, it takes a similar approach, but with a focus on self-hosted and privacy-first networking. It's open source and geared toward more advanced networks, engineers, or privacy-conscious users. So let's compare them. First is their setup and ease of use. Tailscale is extremely easy. Just sign in with your Google or GitHub and install the app, and then your devices are auto-discovered and linked. While NetBird is a bit more technical, you can self-host your coordination server or use their managed service. Next is their features. Tailscale has access controls, Magic DNS, ACL policies, and now supports Tailscale SSH. While NetBird offers customizable key rotation, multi-node support, and better transparency due to being open source. Next is their privacy. NetBird wins in privacy with full open source and optional self-hosting, while Tailscale is partially closed source but has a strong privacy track record and strict access controls. Next is their pricing. Both of them offers generous free tiers, while NetBird is fully free for most setups, and Tailscale's paid tier starts at around $5 per user or per month for more team features. So for final verdict, you can choose Tailscale for effortless, polished networking across devices, and you can go with NetBird if you need full control and care about open source transparency. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.